Thanks, boss. Thank you. Yay! Congratulations!
11 errors.
It's alright. That's a pass.
I'm like, yes.
Woohoo! Congratulations. Oh, let's go get your license now.
Gosh.
Finally. Oh, you can buy your car now. Let's go. Then yung score mo. Yay! It's a pass.
Pass.
It's a pass.
75. Kumbaga.
Let's go.
I passed.
Okay na. Exam mo 9, di ba?
Yes.
Good luck.
So, 9 dapat nandun na. Pero hindi.
45. Sa 8:45 nandun sa loob.
8:45 na.
Pipila pa tayo sa window 20. Tapos, after maibigay sa atin yung parang piece of paper, then fall in line na tayo sa loob. Sa labas, sa labas.
So usually yung driving test talaga magiging 9? 15?
Yung drive test mo is unknown. Drive test time is flexible yun. Yung 9 mo is only for drive test check-in. You know. Let's go. Okay, so keep everything smooth. Madali lang yung exam mo, pero you have to be careful talaga. Si examiner mo, tinitignan niya si application of rules mo and application of safety.
Magtatanong pa siya kung saan yung windshield mo.
Yes,
ko,
sa start.
ko na.
May time tayo mamaya para double check. Oh, yan o, safety. So, make a left. Tapos yung mga turns mo, make it bigger yung ano mo, steer. Okay, straight and left.
Okay.
Straight and left, lagi straight and right.
Okay, siya una.
Wait, saan?
Diyan.
Okay,
There's
that's good.
even,
Very good.
my neighbor. My co-bicycle person.
Nakita ka niya? Let's go na. Hindi ka niya kita.
Hala.
Kita
Ay,
ka niya.
patay. Yung bicycle.
It's okay, that's good.
I cannot
That's good.
read him.
That's safety. Let's go. Keep looking lang. Do not ganun ka, you have to lean forward.
Oh, yeah, mababa.
Kasi ma-maximize mo yung
Ay, di kami kasya kasi malaki pala siya. I forgot.
yes. Yung ma-maximize niya yung ano mo. I mean, you maximize your position.
Yes.
Kasi yung kotse mo hanggang doon na lang yan eh.
Siya
Let's go, make a right. Nice. Okay, keep it smooth. Okay, anong gagawin mo dyan?
Stop. I don't think I peed.
Okay, let's go straight. Ganyan sa exam. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-change lane just because may open. Pwede kung it's an obstruction. Keep left, we're going to go left. Practice na natin yung from changing lanes to the end. Up, look at your lines. Okay, correct lanes ha. When you go, correct lanes lang. And speed. Huwag kang didiretso and then kakaliwa. Palagi kang you're going towards the center of your intersection.
Okay.
Yung center mo is imaginary siya. So ikaw ang gagawa ng center. Parang ganyan.
Yes.
Doon ka ganda sa
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Sige lang, 10 miles. Keep moving, you know. Alright, let's go straight. Okay, only if you can. Change lane to the right. Check lang.
No.
Okay, check lang. Is it?
Is he lefting? I think he's
Yes.
lefting.
Now you exaggerate everything. Keep looking. Very good. So, ganun ang exam mo. Hindi porket sinabihan ka na change lane eh. Yung change lane ang up. Yun ang focus mo. Focus mo is your safety. Hindi yung change lane.
Yes.
Yung change lane mo, ano na lang yan. Nasa last na lang yan. Okay, keep the left side of the lane. Meron pa tayong 1 round before talagang papasok sa loob. Still have time. Dami.
Pero hindi sila magana ng parallel parking.
No, walang parallel parking. Meron lang is, yung exam mo, diagonal lang parking mo. Madali lang yan.
Yung curve lang.
Ito maano yan, -1 yan. That's too wide para sa ano. Only both rear tires and a bit of the road lang para maximize lahat yun. Let's go straight. Pag ito, napunta ka dyan, bagsak na. And always keep the left side of the lane. Tapos speed limit
30.
25 to 30.
Yes.
Pwede ka mag -5. Traffic light, let's go make a right. Kaya yun,
Hindi magsasabi si...
hindi niya sasabihin. Pag nandito ka lang, tapos after siguro 10-15 seconds at nag-build up na ng traffic sa likod,
Yeah.
nagbubusina na sila, mag-decide yun, mag-intervene na siya, that's a fail niya. Let's go make a right, please. Tandaan mo, straight and right, straight and left. Let's go make a right turn. Still good. Very good. Check. Sa mamaya, may halong nervyos yan. Keep thinking lang, keep thinking. Mawawala ng konti yung nervyos mo pag medyo 1 minute ka na. Let's go make a right turn, please. Proper execution. Let's go make a right. Okay, what do you do here? Oh, baka matama mo yung curve. Slow down ka lang dito kasi it's a green. Oh, pag wala, alis ka na dyan. You're not waiting for anything. Number 1, hindi ka kasama sa traffic light. You have a yield sign. Change lane to the left. So basically, you're only waiting for the intersection to go, to get clear.
Yes.
Kaya ano ka lang dyan. Ito, pag nag-yellow na yan dito, do not stop. 1 car distance from the line. Mauulit natin lahat yan. Yan o, perfect distance na yan.
Pwede bang gumanyan?
Pwede.
I mean, sa instructor baka magulat siya. Ba't sumisigaw na si ate? Parang ano?
Tinanong niya, bakit ka sumisigaw? Wala, happy lang.
Gulat lang. Ay, wag. Baka tabi na. Ay, gulat pala. Magugulat yun. Wag.
Make a right turn, please. Okay, straight and right. Oh, look at your, do not go to the other lane.
Oh, no.
There are 2 lanes yan.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh, let's go make a left, please. Let's have a mock test.
Nakalimutan ko, di pala to one way na po.
Let's go make a left. Go to the right lane. Right lane lang. Okay, let's have a mock test.
Oh, no.
Good luck. Let's go make a right, please. Keep it safe. Show them. Okay, merging yan, so okay, let's go make a Left at the stop sign, please. Mamaya ako natatapusin yung kwento. Let's go make a left. Huwag mo na lalampasan yung manhole.
Yes.
Make sure na walang parating.
Ah, yes.
Parang ito yung ganun sa inyo. Yung kanina, hinintuan mo yung kakilala mo.
Ay, hindi ko yun kakilala po. Parang
Kabike lang.
Kabike lang.
Oh, you check wala o meron. Keep looking. Let us 10 miles. Yung steering mo, nandito ka na sa... Basta pag
Parking.
galing ka dun sa second stop mo, turn na agad yon. Wala nang moving forward
Yes.
yon.
Ah, okay.
Kasi pag nag-move forward ka pa, you're too far na.
Ah.
Nasa ano ka na, there's a possibility na nasa parking lane ka na. Let's go make a left at this
Okay.
corner, please. Okay, let's go make a left. Always speed yan pag turning. Okay, please pull into the curb.
Okay.
Up. Mawawalan ka na. Tingnan mo, look at your
What? Oh no.
let's go. Pull after this car na lang.
Yeah.
Sige, let's go. Pull into this curb after this.
Okay. 1, 2.
Ano, traffic check ka muna.
Oh,
Pag sinabi nila yon, you go in na agad.
go in.
Traffic check and then go in.
Go in.
Saka ka pala magbibilang ng 1, 2, 3.
Ah.
Look at your curve. Tatamaan mo yung curve. Okay, then let's go back up, please. Tignan mo yung nasa harapan mo.
Yes.
Everything is considered yan. Space sa likod, space sa harap. Mauulit pa natin. Let's go back up, please.
So once magsabi sila na pull into the...
Slow down a
no,
bit, slow down a bit. Mabilis na yan. Slow down a bit. Keep looking lang. Keep looking. Keep looking. You show them na you're looking dito at sa likod. Okay, stop the car, please. Stop the car. Pull out of the curve, please. Okay, dito, don't be too fast or too slow. Let's pull out of the
So
curve.
pag sinabi nila na pull into the curb,
You go,
magsisignal.
signal, smug ka muna.
Oo.
Signal mirror
Signal
over the
mirror
shoulder,
over the shoulder.
and then you go in.
Oo.
Saka ka
So,
palang magbibilang ng,
1, 2,
di ba, 1, 2, signal mirror over the shoulder, and then you go in. The moment na yung act is going in na, okay, you count 1, 2, 3. Always start with the long curve para may dalawa kang option na long curve.
Okay.
Okay, let's go pull out of the curve. Ulitin natin doon sa kabila. Okay, let's go pull out. The exaggeration mo. Let's go make a left, please. Okay, once you finish traffic checking, alis ka na. Hindi mo hinihintay ito kasi pag hinintay mo yan, there's a possibility na kukunin nila sa ngayon. Let's go make a left, please.
Siya una.
Tayo.
Tayo.
Yeah. Put foot on brakes to slow down 10 miles. Okay, look at your lane lagi. Hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa lane ng parking and then opposite. Opposite driving lane. Let's go straight. Okay, stop sign. Let's go make a left. Ulitin natin yung ano mo, pulling into the curb. Alright. Left turn. I don't know, don't be hasty. Kasi pag natamaan mo tong line na to, -1 ka rin. So you go directly to the middle muna. Ganun. Wala mo ng kabig. Yung kabig mo is half lang. Let's go make a left, please. Look at your lane ulit. Okay, keep going straight. Okay. Oh, ito na. Okay, let's pull into the curb, please. Ayun, pasok. Count 3 curbs. No, papasok ka na, ganyan. 1, 2, 3. Kasi pag hindi ka pumasok, nandun ka pa rin sa gitna. Ayan. Ayan o, 3. Oh, dito ka na. Oh, remember, signal, mirror over the shoulder. Pasok, and then count 1, 2, 3. Hindi ka pwedeng nandun pa rin sa gitna.
Yeah.
Ayan, you have to get out, and then you have to pull. Oh, so, let's pull into the curve. Signal, mirror over the shoulder. Pasok
na.
Count 1, 2, 3, and then you fix it. Hindi pwedeng dito ka sa gitna nagka-count, or else nandun ka pa rin sa gitna. So you have to signal, mirror over the shoulder, pasok, and then count, and then fix it.
Okay.
Ano lang yan. Let's go back up, please. Tapos go to your correct speed, mga 5 miles lang. More than that, tingnan mo, let's go straight. If they ask you to fix it, it means you just get closer, tapos you keep it parallel. Okay, keep going. Yung ano mo, 1 second each window. Yeah, yan. That's a one. Stop the car, please. Pretty much better. Let's go pull out of the curb, please. Isa natin yung siya. Pinunasan ko nung naarawan, may dumi pa pala. Let's go pull out of the curb, please. Go to the middle, ganyan ang position ng steering wheel. Di ba pupunta ka ng middle?
Yes.
Hindi yung kabig ka agad. Pag kumabig ka agad, that's narrow turn agad. Let's go, make a left. There should be no car in the middle. Let's go, make a left. Dito muna sa gitna. And then, full turn. Very good na yan. Medyo warming up lang. Let's go, make a left.
Siya din
Yeah. Practicing din yan.
I will take it.
Alright. Yung speed mo, ang tinitignan nila dyan. Tignan mo, that's a sharp turn.
Wow.
Kasi nag-turn ka agad. You're too close to the other lane. So you have to go to the middle muna of the intersection. Parang ganun sa ginawa mo kanina. It has to be straight and left, straight and right. Hindi yung from your position, kabig, nagpupuling into the curb yan.
Wow.
Let's go straight, please.
Galing naman. Maliit na curve.
Let's go straight.
Oh, yeah.
Tama yan, hindi na yan masyado ng rules. Okay, let's go straight. Tapos in between, pag straight line, it's a safety matter. Lahat ng mga nakapark, don't get too close. If someone's pulling out, stop ka lang. Huwag ka let's go straight. Kang babaklas sa lane mo. Then pedestrians can always cross anywhere. Dito wala silang stop sign. I mean tayo, wala tayong stop sign. Sila meron. Pero sometimes makaka-encounter ka ng mga drivers na they're in a hurry. So pag meron pumasok dyan, dito ka nalang mag-stop. Bawal kang may makasabay sa gitna, bagsak yun. Let's go make a right turn, please. Always stop straight muna yung wheel sa una. Okay, anong gagawin mo dito?
2 stops.
Steer towards the right. Okay, let's go. Make a right turn. Parallel ka sa curb, Sige, more. You have to be parallel to the curb. Ganyan ka dapat. Hanggang dito ka lang. Yeah. Then you traffic check. Once you're good, you get out na agad. Pero you keep looking. Yeah, let's go. Ulitin ulit natin to.
Yes.
Yung pulling into the curb, okay na yun. Ito na lang, you have to go like this, kasi parallel ka dapat sa curb. So dapat kakabig ka towards the curb. Para ka naka-lean towards the curb. Hindi pwede yung kulang kasi sa mandatory yun sa exam. Sa real life, okay na kahit hindi siya Let's go make a right at the stop. Ulitin natin.
Yeah. Alright, dito
Mhm.
na.
Dito sa stop sign, ulitin lang natin yun. Para after ito, we can go in.
Okay.
Kasi parang ano lang tayo, nag-refresher lang. Wala na tayong inaaral. Tinitignan na lang natin yung routes mo. And adjusting na lang tayo kasi this is the last practice na before the exam. Let's go make a right from here, please.
Someday. Make a right someday.
Let's go make a right. Tignan mo yung mga nasa harapan mo. Let's go make a right turn, please. Yun, tignan mo, straight and right. Doon. Hindi ka agad kakabig. Malaking bagay na yung kahit 1 foot ka lang straight. Kasi yung kotse mo, ano yan mahaba. Let's go make a right.
Oh, okay.
May nguso pa yan. Yan, straight and right. Yun. Diba? May allowance ka lang na binibigay
Yeah.
for your proper lane. Hindi pwede yung palaging sakto. Pag sakto yun, there's a chance na magiging narrow siya. Pag may allowance siya, magiging sakto lang yan kahit na sumobra. So go make a right, please. Oh, anong gagawin mo?
Hintayin kung saan siya pasok.
So make a right. Oh, yung steer towards the curb. Yung mandatory yan. Dito ka lang. 2 stops yan. Walang stop sign on the left.
Oh yeah, mababa.
Oh, once you're good, you keep going. Keep looking lang. And watch out for your
Curb.
parking lane and
the
curb.
parking.
Oo. And okay, ito na yung practice natin. Let's go make a right. And ang gagawin mo dyan? Anong
Hintayin
gagawin mo?
siya.
You offer mandatory gesture. Very nice. Yan ang part of your exam. Pag hindi mo siya hinintuan, si examiner mo mag-break sa'yo. That's a fail na. Oh, yung steer mo. Doon ka dapat towards the curb. Yan. Then you maximize your position. Don't stop looking. Pag malayo pa, you keep going. Pag malapit na siya, then you can still stop. Kaya pag ganun yung move mo, nakatak ka towards the curb kasi nga you're trying to hide your car. Diba?
Laki-laki niya.
Very good yan. Kasi yan, nag-commit na siya, so you have to give it na. Hindi pwedeng i-emphasize mo yung right of way mo dyan. Okay, let's go straight. Maintain mo lang yung distance mo all throughout. That's all throughout the 10 to 12 minutes na nasa labas pa yun. It's okay lang yun.
Ako?
No. Nasa car wash. Let's go straight.
Na ano niya? Makindot.
Sa mga intersections ka, mag-ingat. Remember, they don't follow rules and regulations properly. Tayo lang yung proper ang okay, let's go straight, please. Parang ganyan, no?
Kinuha na niya.
Yes. Okay, let's go straight, please. Let's go change lane to the right. Remember, this lane is a right turn only. So, walang straight yan. Diba, usually sinasabi nila, if they don't say make a left or make a right, it means you go straight. Dito, pag hindi ka sinabihan, it doesn't apply kasi it's only a right turn.
Right turn.
Means, may mga instances na basis sa examiner mo, writing. So, make a right. They don't have to tell you kasi wala ka ibang pupunta dito. But right. Okay, let's go. Change lane to the left.
Oh,
Only
no.
when it's safe. Oh, look at your
Nope.
speed lang. Keep looking front and side.
No.
Very good. Keep looking sa side. Yan. Kasi pag may humabol dyan, stay in your correct lane. Your right original lane. Change lane to the right, please. Let's go straight, please. Oh, bumaba yung speed
Oh,
mo.
mabait.
Kailangan keep your speed. Sa examiner, hindi niya na tinitignan yan. Nararamdaman na lang nila kung mabilis or mabagal.
Wow, sana all.
Eventually,
Experience.
yeah, eventually. Let's go straight, please. Okay, traffic light, let's go make a right. Pag parking lang yung nasa harapan mo, you don't have to go around it. Hihintayin mo lang siya. But if it's hazards on, obstruction yan, so you have to go around it. Let's go make a right, please.
No.
Right.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Binubusinahan ka sa likod.
Kebe.
Yeah. Just because it's green or red, kung may tumatawid, pag green, stay. Pag red, stay din. Only go when it's clear and it's green. May mga estudyante na akong ganyan, biglang nag-move. Pati yung examiner. Nag-move. Let's go straight. Traffic light, let's go make a right. Okay. Make it safe lang dito. Ito ang isa sa mga ano. Remember, it's a yield sign. Hindi ka kasama sa traffic light, pero you have to traffic check pa rin. Yan o. Green, go super slow. Check. Pag wala, alis na. Wala?
Wala.
Yeah, keep going na. Make sure na huwag ka mag-oversteer. Change lane to the left, please. Very good. Tapos na yung exam.
May pasa? Or pasa na ba kung nandun?
Wala pang ano to,
Wala pa.
finality. Kasi it's still, you're still outside the
Oh.
Kaya mag-iingat ka pa rin. Let's go. Green.
Oh, tama.
Let's go straight.
Makita
Dito
siya.
25 lang. 25. Okay, then watch out for the cars coming from the freeway. Minsan, may mga ayun.
Boshi.
Sa ano yun. Change lane to the left. Pag nandito ka, 5 to 10 ka na lang. You don't have to go fast that. Okay, let's go make a left.
I believe something is coming, but I am not sure.
So minsan, may papalabas dito. Be careful pa rin. Let's go make a right. Go to the middle lane. Remember, a middle lane. They will tell you where to go. Let's go make a left turn dito sa may do not enter na yan. Let's go make a left. Still, 5 to 10 ka lang. Oh, don't make a sharp turn. Tingnan mo yan. Oh, may 2 lanes ka this time. Okay, let's go straight. Keep your lane. Tingnan mo 2 lanes. Oh. Thanks, boss. Thank you. Yay! Congratulations!
Millionaires.
It's alright. That's a pass.
I'm like, yes.
Woohoo! Congratulations. Oh, let's go get your license now. Finally. Oh, you can buy your car now. Let's go. Then you can score mo. Yay! It's a pass.
Pass.
It's a pass.
75. Kumbaga.
Let's go.
I passed.